This whole facility mostly we did with the VCT. We did a green color in the hallway with a purple base, and every room was done with different colors of VCT. We have lots of different colors and a lot of bright ones, and it lights up the room, and the kids have a lot of fun in the rooms with different colors. It makes a brighter environment, it makes the place more colorful.
We put it down like one by one. Then they decided they want to change the way we lay the tiles. They want a diagonal and 180 degrees. You have to repatch the whole floor, and we put everything down diagonal to make the hallway look wider. For example, here we have a room, color we hardly ever use. It's a lime colored tile, but this is what the designer wanted. We had to wait weeks to get this color, and this matches perfectly to the yellow walls and to the yellow base and to this color tile.
So this specific room, they wanted to change the color during the school year while class was in session. So we came in one evening after school was done, took pictures of the furniture wherever everything was, and we moved it all out, and we did the floor and moved all the furniture back in. And the next morning, the kids were able to start class in a fresh, new, beautiful colored room. The reason why people use this product is because it's very cost effective, and you have a lot of different bright, beautiful colors to work with.